How to fix Microsoft Teams add-in missing in Outlook. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Microsoft Teams add-in missing in Outlook. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store. Then here on the search menu, simply search for Outlook. Then here wait for a few seconds, then simply click onto the application. Now scroll down and here you will see an option named App Support. Simply click on the drop down menu of it. Then here you will see an option named Email. Simply click onto it. After that, from here simply select Gmail. Then here simply describe your problem briefly, and if possible make sure to provide a screenshot as well. Then simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team will reach out to you and then provide you a solution. But one thing you need to make sure is that the solution provided to you will be 100% genuine, because it is the solution provided by the team itself. So in this very simple way you could solve your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.